praise team. These gentlemen have sang through 4 episodes or 4 seasons of My Journey with God. And they are very famous. These gentlemen have moved the hearts of My Journey mga kapaglaon. Okay? You know them from South Philippine Union Conference. Praise Team! Okay.
Test, mic test, mic test. Testing, mic test.
Mga kaigsunan, salamat gigay sa inyong pagsuporta sa panabayan ng SPUC sa atong My Journey with God. Niya ako karon na imi maawit o alawiton nga nitatakyot sa inyong mga kasing-kasing. Hinaot nga dili lang kami ang mukanta, moapil mo kanta namo. Kay magsugod na po ng atong My Journey with God bisag duha na ka union. Kahit dalawa na pong union natin, there will still be My Journey with God.
Amen.
Isang My Journey with God by both unions, CPOM at saka SWPUC this coming September. So, hope that you will continue to support this evangelism to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ to the entire world through this My Journey with God. And we'll be singing. Ang inyong favorito yun, wag dilain. Hindi man ito ni Mao mga tahon. Pringos pasuraso yung solo, ginaw siya. Bitaw, patinduga Jesus ako.
Hello.
SCM!
Sure.
Live ito?
Hello.
Patinduga, Jesus ako, o ginuna ang aron ako makatakon sa taas niya hanap ba? Kinsay nakulangan at sino pang nakulangan? Gusto niyo pa ba ng isa? Unya na. Relax. Kalma lang, kalma. Manantan, they will be back po. Actually, the gentlemen have sung since COVID-19 and until now. We see them in person to papabalikin tayo niya mamaya, okay? We will let them come later on, so don't you worry. Call your friends, basig wala pa diri, kay manganta sila balik. Madam?
Yes, and that's the SPUC Praise Team, the very popular team here in Mindanao. And I know you're very happy, but we have to move on